Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so we are going to be talking about the engine control module, or the ECM. Um, Sometimes it's commonly referred to as the engine control unit, or PCM, power train control module. So basically this is like one of the most important components in your car, and it's one of the most important components in all modern vehicles, to be honest. Essentially, what it does is it's the main computer for many of your cars engine performance and drivability functions. The ECM takes the information from the engine's various sensors and pretty much uses them to calculate and tune engine spark and fuel for maximum power and efficiency. So the ECM plays a crucial role in modern vehicles, where many of the essential functions of the car are controlled by the ECM. When the ECM has any issues, it can cause all kinds of problems with the vehicle, and in some cases even make it so that it's you can't start it, or it just stalls out. A bad or failing ECM could produce any of these symptoms to alert the driver of a potential problem. So basically, you guys have an ECM issue, the check engine light's gonna turn on. An illuminated check engine light is one of the possible symptoms of the problem with the ECM. The check engine light usually illuminates when the computer detects an issue with any of the sensors or the circuits. There are cases, however, where the ECM illuminates a check engine light mistakenly, or when there is no issue present. Your best bet is to get an OBD2 scanner and see if what codes come up. So second symptoms that could occur is your engine stalling or misfiring. So basically, erratic engine behavior could indicate a bad or failing ECM. A faulty computer could cause the car to intermittently stall or misfire, and the symptoms might come and go and not appear to have any sort of pattern to their frequency or severity. You could also get engine performance issues. It is another symptom of a possible problem with the ECM. If the ECM has any issues, it might throw off the timing and the fuel settings of the engine, which could negatively affect performance. Faulty ECM could cause the vehicle to experience a reduction in fuel efficiency, power, and acceleration. Also, your car might not start. A bad ECM could lead to a vehicle that won't or is difficult to start. If the ECM fails completely, it will leave your car without any kind of engine management control, and it won't start or run. The engine might still crank, but it won't be able to start without the vital inputs from the car's computer. Car starting issues are not exclusively caused by the ECM, so it's best to probably complete a diagnosis either with a technician or with an OBD2 reader. You could also get poor fuel economy. Bad fuel economy may occur from a failing ECM. A faulty ECM pretty much disallows your car from knowing how much fuel to burn in the combustion process. Typically, the vehicle consumes more fuel than it should in this situation, and you end up paying more for gas than you would with a functioning ECM. So, as you can see, the ECM plays a vital role in the engine performance. Any issues with it can cause major issues with the overall functionality of the car, as the computer systems found on modern vehicles are quite complicated. They can also be difficult to diagnose. For this reason, if you have any issues, or you think you might have any issues with the ECM, definitely get an OBD2 reader, plug it in, see what codes, if any, pop up. A lot of the times ECM issues are not particularly with the ECM itself, but with the sensors that's pretty much triggering issues with readouts from the ECM. That's why you're getting the check engine light. So it might just be something as simple as maybe a sensor that you're having issues with. For the most part, if the ECM does go out, if the ECM does fail completely, there's a trick you can do. If you buy an OBD2 scanner and plug it in, and that scanner doesn't scan all the way through, it scans halfway and then it stops, or it scans halfway and it's constantly in the middle mark of scanning, you know that there's no communication between the ECM and the car. So, but with any electrical issue, it's a lot of times a lot more complicated to figure out, particularly if you're taking guesses and you don't have an OBD2 scanner to read the codes and stuff like that. But hopefully this has helped you figure out what the problem of your car is. If you have any of your own personal experiences with failing ECMs, etc., definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, and all that good stuff. All right, guys, take care.